Hey guys, what's going on? Alaska559 here. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a really good looking green screen for a really cheap price. I can do this for under $5. I know you guys can too. It's really easy, really simple, and of course really helpful. So this is kind of what I do when I stream. As you guys can see, I have it kind of turned on right now. It's a little bit fuzzy around the ends, but I think it looks really good, and I think it's really helpful when you can't find a green screen or during a time like COVID where you just don't want to go out much and you just want to have it like simple, you don't want to spend a lot of money. I totally get it, and this is kind of what I did. So basically, the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a green tablecloth. So if I kind of go into my video settings and I show you guys right here, give me 1 second. If I show you guys under my properties, if I just turn off the chroma cam, that's exactly what I did. So I turned off like the green screen mode, and basically it's a chroma key filter that you add. So that's all through OBS. I'll do that on another tutorial of how to set it up. But basically what you want is you want like a green tablecloth, just like this, from maybe a dollar store or a grocery store, but like a green, pretty much like a lightish to very little bit on the dark side of a green tablecloth. And then what I did was I used some painter's tape, like I have right here, kind of like a masking tape, and I put it on each corner and I stretched the screen out as much as possible. And by doing that, it creates kind of that green backdrop that you want. And so basically what happens is when I enable the chroma key feature on OBS or Streamlabs OBS and I click green and I kind of apply my filters that you might need, bam, you get a good looking green screen. You barely have to spend maybe more than $5 on the whole thing. Basically, you just need the tape, you need, the green tablecloth, and then you're going to need like a wall that's kind of like a light color or a dark color, just something where it's not going to shine through as much. So if you're putting it in the middle of a room hanging from the ceiling, I don't recommend that as much because you're going to get a lot of kind of like the light coming right through it, and it's going to kind of screw up the background. Another thing you need is some good lighting. So make sure you have some lights, maybe towards where the wall is. If you have like those can lights in the ceiling like I have, and that kind of shines right down on it, give it some good light. Open a window, maybe just provide that light it needs so you don't have, as bad of like a reflection on it, and it's not going to be too blurry because you can kind of see around. Like my headphones, for example, you can configure it. But if you don't configure it right, it's going to be hard. So I'll show you guys that, like I said, in another tutorial. I'm going to link what I used for the tablecloth right down below. Again, you can pick it up at like Dollar Tree or, Family Dollar, whatever store you guys go to, maybe a grocery store. It's super easy, super simple, and I hope this helps. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace!